My wife wanted a little gym area in our garage. Now, the only problem with that is that for me to build a wall, I need to attach the bottom plate to something. And I don't want to go putting holes in the concrete. The solution I came up with was to install some dry core subfloor in the garage. This is going to be a really basic overview of how to install dry core subfloor or 2x2 subfloor panels. I always start in the corner, and I will have my tongues facing out and up. That way my install is always going to be easier. As I move along and I get into awkward areas towards the finish, I will always be able to slide the tongue in and over and not have to hit it with a tapping block. If you end up in a scenario where you have the tongue facing you and you're tapping it, you can then kind of smush it and blow it up, and we don't want any of that. I always want my joints overlapping, so the first row will be a full piece, and then the second row will start with a half piece. Once I get to the second row, instead of putting the half piece and then trying to tap a full piece into it, I push the half piece and the full piece together, and then I slide it into place, making it a little more secure and prevents things from moving. The first and second rows do move a lot as you're tapping it in, but once you get them down, it's pretty simple. I did a simple square. I put together a square that was going to house the treadmill, some mats, some weights, real easy. And then in the future, when I have the wall to build, I can screw the top or the bottom plate into the dry core and not into the concrete. And we're all good. That'll stop it from moving. Now, Her Highness has an area to work out in. As the saying goes, happy wife, happy life. I hope you got something from this. As always, thanks for watching and good luck on your project.